अब इसका ट्रिक क्या है, देखो ऑब्वियसली इट विल टेक सम टाइम, बट the thing is that you have to go in 3 steps. You have to see that one eye is going into hypertropia and one eye is going into hypertropia. तो एक में depressor palsy है, एक में elevator palsy है. Then you have to think. So obviously this will take some time because there is no direct trick. You have to go step by step. लेकिन सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है that you do not have many combinations of these questions. So after this, I can send you the 4 to 5 combinations of the Part 3 step test which are actually possible and start practicing them. So when you are practicing the same combinations, 4 to 5 combinations multiple times, you will be able to get the answer. Okay? So don't worry about that. So this is about your Part 3 step test. Now another important thing, वो भी मैं orally कराऊंगी, and that is your question on the astigmatism. The question on the astigmatism we will do here, and I will tell you how to do this question on the astigmatism. This actually came in NEET 2018. Simple question है, which of the following is an example of compound myopic against the rule. अब सबसे पहली चीज that you have to do is that you don't have to tell it directly. इसमें jump नहीं करना है that this is compound myopic astigmatism. First we have to convert this into retinoscopic finding. तो how to convert this into retinoscopic finding वो देख लेते हैं. Let's see the option number 1. Yes, so I am going to answer your questions. Just have patience for 5-10 minutes and then I am going to answer your questions also. A पर चलते हैं. It is -2 diopter spherical and -2 diopter cylinder at 180 degree. It is 180 degree. ये देखो, तो whenever I say I have to convert this into retinoscopic finding, -2 is a diopter spherical and -2 is a diopter cylinder. So how to convert this into retinoscopic finding? -2 is a spherical. Spherical matlab equal in all the meridians. So -2 here also and -2 here also. -2 diopter cylinder at 180. Now the most important thing is that whenever we are giving a cylinder, the power will always act at a perpendicular plane. So 180 matlab horizontal. So if I am giving it horizontal, it will act at vertical. So -2 will add here. So finally what you are getting is -4 and -2. Now can you see, is it astigmatism? Yes, because we are having different power in both the meridians. Different power in both the meridians matlab it is astigmatism. It is minus, therefore it is myopic, and no meridian is 0. We are not having any emetropic. So this is compound myopic astigmatism. -4 is more than -2. Matlab vertical is more than horizontal. Therefore it is with the rule astigmatism. Simple. So this is compound myopic astigmatism with the rule. But in the question they are asking compound myopic against the rule. Okay. So this means we are getting the +2 here and 0 here. Therefore, this is simple hypermetropic astigmatism. Now, what is the power? What is the type? Always remember, minus power is more than 0 power and 0 power is more than plus power. So here 0 will be more than plus. Therefore, it is against the rule. So you can do it orally. अभी fourth option में हम orally करेंगे. -2 diopter spherical at 90 degree. -2 diopter spherical at 90 मतलब you are giving it vertically, so it will act horizontally. So vertical will be 0 and this will be -2. One is 0 matlab this is emetropic. Therefore this is simple astigmatism. Another is minus, so simple myopic astigmatism. It is 0 and -2. Minus is more. So it is against the rule. Therefore it is simple myopic astigmatism against the rule. Simple है. I am repeating this. Whenever you are having the spherical one, spherical will be equal in both the meridians and cylinder will be acting at a particular degree at the perpendicular axis. So if I am saying -2 spherical, so -2 will act here also and -2 will act here also. Cylinder, if you are giving at horizontal 180, then this will act at 90. So see, now you have got -4 and -2. Therefore, it is compound myopic astigmatism with the rule. And if horizontal is more, then you will say it is against the rule. So I think you have understood this.